get ready to remove the caliper. Be right back. Alright guys, the next thing we're going to do, there's our 2 bolts right there. You want to take you a 7mm hex socket. I'm using it with the 3/8 drive opening on it. You're going to put it just like that. Take your 3/8 drive ratchet, and I'm using, let's take this away from here now. I'm using a swivel head because I like to, when it gets in there, I can go around here. Or you can use a regular one, it'd be just as easy. And keep on, just get both of those. And you can take them out completely, or you can just take them out enough where the caliper will come off. So let's get those